Alright guys, what we got for you today, you already know, is the baked potato, fully loaded steak. I'm gonna show you how I get down. Check it out, go ahead. Alright, so we're gonna add bacon bits. I like these, they're kind of real and stuff, I like them, but I also got real bacon right here, just to go a little crazy, We got steak right here, flat steak. What you wanna do, you wanna get these flat steaks, right? Cut them up, like I'm doing right here. Boom. Baby onions. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. You know the onions. They in Chinese food. You see them a lot. But broccoli, potatoes. My ingredients: sazón, adobo. Yo, it's my sofrito. Yo, you can't live without the sofrito. Okay. Shit, ladies and gentlemen, we're all out of sofrito. I guess we can't cook. Can't do it without this. I'm just kidding. We're gonna do it anyways. Check it out, alright? Stop. Alright guys, so the first thing you wanna do, right? I'm doing it old school style. Because a lot of us don't have air fryers. We just got one, so it's all good. But I still like the oven, I'm old school. Check it out. So we're gonna do, right? You poke holes. Obviously you want it to breathe, Do it with a fork, with a knife, however you choose. I just like to poke more holes. So, I use a fork. Obviously, well, a little bit of salt. That's how I do it, You can add butter. I sometimes like to add butter, but right now I'm not going to do it. Alright? Boom. Easy. That's your potato. Guys, always wash your meat. You can do it with vinegar too, either water or vinegar, boom. It's always good just to be precautious. I don't know what water's gonna do. I highly doubt that just rinsing it's gonna get rid of all the germs, all bacteria. If there is some, you're gonna cook it. So once you cook it, honestly, after a certain temperature, I think it's 330, if I'm not mistaken. After that, it gets rid of all germs and bacteria. So once the food's getting cooked, it really doesn't fucking matter. Yeah, wash it anyways. Okay. All right, ready? All right, guys. So Boricua, how we do. Hello, ya tú sabes. I'm gonna put about a tea and a half of que se joda, because I'm just kidding. Let me stop. But really, you just put what you desire flavor. Just don't put too much, But I'm gonna mix it around. So I'm struggling with this right now. I'm struggling. I got it. I'm just opening it fast for you guys, because we're shooting. Un poquito de sazón, ya tú sabes. Just jump the whole pack. Stuff the whole pack. That's it. That's all you need, right? Boom. Un poquito of black pepper, That's it. Just a little bit. A little bit. A little bit of garlic, Pooch. There you go. Not too much. I'll mix it up. Boom. You want all the meat to have that flavor. Savor the flavor for me and the Nick. Alright, let me stop. But yeah. Put that flavor in there. Look at that. Boom. Ladies and gentlemen, we lost a soldier. Look at the soldier. Alright, it's gone. Alright. Yeah, you got me cooking in my... Yep. That's all good, man. I'm home. You want to grab that for me, please? Thank you, my assistant, my lovely assistant. Thank you. All right. Good job. All right. That's probably going to be a blooper, but it's cool. Okay, that's done. All right, guys. And now, green onions. You already know. Cut them up. Boom. All set. Cut. Got it? All right. Now the broccoli, you know, sometimes I like to go like this, you know, boom, real quick, boom, just to get shit out the way, you know. You know, why use the knife when you can do it like this? So much easier. And I get what I want, you know. So that's what I do with the broccoli, you know. And then when it's too big like that, then I start cutting them and stuff. Put that little piece, and then I get picky with it, you know. But usually that's how I break them up. It's a lot faster, to me at least, than to be sitting there just, you know, cutting it like how I'm doing it right now. But yeah, cut. All right, guys. Now we're gonna fry the piece of steak because we're gonna make a steak baked potato, fully loaded baked steak potato. So you know we're gonna make the steak first. You know we dig the bacon. Let's make the steak. Come on. We got you know, olive oil. You know, masola. Con masola no está sola. You already know no está sola. Anyways, that's from a commercial. You guys won't get it. All the Hispanics will get it though. All my boricuas. Ya tú sabes. I'm a clown. Guys, don't pay mind to me. I just like to chip. But, have fun, man. That's what I do. Alright. So, I'm going to let it warm up a little bit. Spread it around. Spread it around. You know, that's what you want to do. You want to do. You don't put too much. It's virgin oil. We're just sauteing. We're not going to sit there and drown the freaking steak in oil. You know what I'm saying? If it was a steak, I honestly don't do that to a steak at all. Some people cook it like that, but it's definitely not a good way to do a steak. Anything you want to saute, actually, you don't drown it in oil. But I think it's warm enough. See that? That's the sound of success right there. Woo! Put a little bit, not too much, because remember you're sauteing it. So you gotta toss it around and you gotta cook it evenly. So you put just enough, you know. I probably should have broken it up a little bit more, but I'm gonna chop it up once it's cooked, so no worries. So I let this settle for a little bit and put this flame down. Some, boom. Okay, I'll let this cook up for a little bit. It's just steak pieces, so you don't have an option of rare, medium rare, none of that. So, I mean, probably fucking know. It's just steak tips. Just cook them, saute them. You're delicious. Alright. Boom. Alright, guys. So we're back. I didn't have the sofrito I wanted. I mean, I really want my grandmother's sofrito. That's the best sofrito. Every Puerto Rican gets their grandmother's sofrito. You know what I'm saying? But there's none like mine. Let me tell you. But real talk, I got the sofrito now, the recadito. You know, you can read it good. Okay. All right. Boom. We're gonna throw this since I only got a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. You know, this one because you know I don't need no spoon or measuring cup. Cause this is how I do. Boom, 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 boom. That's it. You don't put too much, you put just enough. You want that flavor. You just want it to soak in that flavor real quick. Because we already seasoned this, so it has flavor, but we want it a little juicy. This is why you add the sofrito and the recao. You know, this is what I do it. I don't know if anybody, you know, I got my own little style. You know what I'm saying? Like my shit wet and juicy. You know what I'm saying? You see how, ooh, you see that little glaze on the steak right there? This is what you want. It smells good. Oh man, I wish they had smell-o-vision. If they had smell-o-vision right now, oh my god, let me tell y'all, cause does it smell good? Anybody?
It does.
You heard crickets in the back. Everybody don't think I'm lying. Come on, guys. Say something. Am I alone? Does it smell good?
It smells good, right?
Does it smell
it smells great.
This is why I act no. No, it's alright. I'm messing. I'm messing, girls. You guys are doing a great job. I love it. Alright, boom, boom, boom. That's it. And once you got that little real quick, this is boom. Oh my god. You see it? Watching it? Now you can cut. Okay, guys. So obviously, after you boil the broccoli, I take the water out because you don't want it to sit in the water, because then it gets you know, too soft or whatnot. So you only cook. Hold on. If pasta is al dente, and this, I guess you can call this al dente too. You want to make sure it's not too cooked and not undercooked. Whatever, just right. I don't know if there's a specific word. I can't remember right now, but whatever. Like pasta al dente, you get it. Okay.
Hey, Lily from AT&T here.
Stop.
Okay.
Alright guys, so there you have it. I just showed you the finishing touch, but I just wanted to add one last thing. If you guys have any suggestions or any meals you want me to do, you want me to try, you want me to check it out, whatever you want me to make, create, or, you know, I'm willing to do it. So, yeah, give me ideas, comments, suggestions, and I'll chef it up. As you can see, I know how to do a little something so we can get it popping. You know what I'm saying? So, but if you like it, like, view, subscribe, hit the bell so you could get a notification whenever I drop a new video, and keep following me. Let's get it. Kid Lex out west.